So hi there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 5120 Volusia Avenue here in Titusville, Florida. And folks, you are in for a treat today. This gorgeous home is just going on the market and we have a 2024 roof. Sorry about that, we're just going to drop for a little. Got this cool little entranceway here. We have a 2025 AC, a 2020 water heater, and tons of amazing things. Look at the room in here. So we walk in and we've got our formal dining room area. Got our formal family room area. And I have to stop right here and hit this bad boy. So this brand new AC is this really cool Trane, like indoor humidity 52. That's probably only a little high because I have the front door open for a second. So it's got an inverter heat pump, which means it's really quiet and super efficient. Learning things every day when I'm doing these. So we've got bedroom number 1, this is one of your guest bedrooms. Bedroom number 2, guest bedroom or children's bedroom. And I will say, folks, that those bedrooms are a really, really good sized bedroom, which is amazing. And again, just to keep your bearing on everything, we've got a nice split plan. There's your formal living room, your dining room, your door, and then over here were these 2 bedrooms. And your guest bath, look here, super cute. We got a little bit of counter space there. Got a tub and shower combo. And then we're gonna cruise over into the family room. And look at the size of this family room, folks. It's a nice size room. And into the kitchen. Got a cute little rolling cart for extra counter space. So we've got a newer refrigerator, newer microwave, newer stove, got granite countertops. And since we're here, folks, we're gonna pop on out to the garage. There's a nice looking water heater and it is gas, so any storms come through, you still get hot showers. So the washing machine is new. Dryer works, it is a little bit older, but we do have a new washing machine. Oh, it's counter space, cabinets, 2-car garage, the garage door opener. Another look at this gorgeous kitchen. This nice deep sink, lots of cabinets. And we're gonna go through that nice big living room. And let me step back real quick so you can see this nice little built-in right here for all your cute little things. And then I've got a nice sized primary bedroom. See if I can get a nice angle so you can see that we've got plenty of space in here. And we have a huge walk-in closet, folks. Look at this. There's a nice walk-in closet in here. Plenty of space. And then into the primary bathroom, we do have a tub shower combo and our countertop. And then let's go check out this patio, folks, because this patio is amazing. So look here, folks, we step outside and yes, we've got plenty of space over there. We've got a table. We got enough room for a grill. And wait till I turn around, folks. This thing runs the entire length of the back of the house. So you've got the center. You've got your sitting down area. Like, isn't this crazy, folks? There's so much space out here. Whoop. So we get a cute little backyard. We do have a mango tree there that is on its recovery time. As you can see, that wonderful cold front we had that we don't normally get here in Florida made a lot of our plants not happy. You do have a nice shed right here, plenty of space in there. So again, folks, I am at 5120 Volusia Avenue here in Titusville, Florida. And folks, we are just getting ready to go on the market. So if this is the home you've been looking for, you are going to want to get in here right away. Get your appointment set up. And folks, you can call your agent if you already have one, or you can call myself, Margaret Klein, phone number 321-480-7662. Again, 321-480-7662. Little pantry area there. So folks, don't miss out on this gorgeous home with lots of space, nice split floor plan. You've got a newer roof, new AC, water heater's a 2020, and it's gas, so you get to have hot showers during any storm we may have. Anyway, folks, you have an amazing day. Hope to talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.